Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Wijay Kramullah. Saya akan menceritakan sang legenda yang berjudul Malin Kundang. Once upon a time, on the north coast of Sumatra, lived a poor woman and his son, who called Malin Kundang. His father eventually died, and his mother lived alone as a poverty-stricken old woman. Malin Kundang grew up as skillful young boy. He always helped his mother to earn some money. One day, Malin Kundang delayed going to a versus and promised to come back.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Misatrio Rafiul Haq. Saya akan melanjutkan cerita dari teman saya Vijay. After several years had gone by, Malin Kundang finally decided to return to his village. He arrived wearing fine clothes and traveling on one of his ships. Someone arriving in such splendor was uncommon to the villagers, so many of them went down to the harbor to view the sight. One of the villagers recognized Malin Kundang from a scar that he had received while playing as a child. Upon recognizing the mark, the villager went to tell Malin Kundang mother that her son had returned. Exactly, she went to the shore and recognized her son the minute her eyes fell on him.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Zakir Menanda. Di sini saya akan melanjutkan cerita dari Raffi tadi. When the older woman called him her son, he refused to believe that he had an old woman as mother. His disbelief was heightened when his wife questioned why he had told her that he had an injury or death. Alternative translation: Malin Kundang was on the ship with his crew. When his mother attempted to embrace him, he was too embarrassed by he ragged embarrassed to acknowledge her, and instead one of them carried her away. Distraught and finally realizing his son's weakness, Malin Kundang mother gave up on her sons and not letting her hand prior to her go to punish her son for his behavior.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Eka Al-Rufi. Saya akan melanjutkan cerita dari Zaki. The day after his mother's prayer, Malin Kundang sailed out of the village. Shortly thereafter, the ship was met by a violent storm. Malin Kundang believed the storm was his good and nature's voice of punishing him for his mistreatment of his mother. He felt guilt about his behavior towards her, asked for forgiveness and began to pray. However, his repentance was too late, for the ship was destined to break and sea. But in some translation of the tale, Malin Kundang was turned in coral in order to save the crew, and he became rock formation that are still standing. Sekian cerita legenda Malin Kundang dari kelompok kami. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.